Vedant, sorry, Tejas. Wait. Suppose we have a two vector, okay? Just please forget all the things and try to understand the process by which we can solve or we can find out the cross product, okay? We have a such as 3i minus 6j minus 4k and b such as minus 2i plus 2j minus 2k. And what we have to find out in this case, we have to find out A cross B, right? What A cross B is. So in this case, what we have to do, just try to make a simple table for this, such as I, J, K, okay? And try to note the number. What is the I in first vector? 3. And what is the I in second vector? It's minus 2, right? What is a J in first? It is minus 6, and it is in second, it's 2 plus 2. And what is a K? It's minus 4, and here in second, in B, it's minus 2, right? So now it's okay for us. Now when suppose table is ready for us, okay, we have to follow a simple step to move ahead. Suppose for I, just write it I here inside the bracket. Whenever we have to find out the number for I, forget about the number below side the I, okay? Just a cross multiplication from here with the negative side, with the negative between them or subtraction between them. So it's minus 6 times minus 2, okay, minus 4 times 2, right? If there is any confusion, so avoid it, use the other bracket, okay? As we know that it will run alternative, okay? The sign for I, J and K is alternative, so I will be positive, J will be negative and K will be again positive. So it will minus J for J. The same thing, we have to forget about the J, okay? It's 3 times minus 2, 3 times minus 2 minus 4 times minus 2, minus 4 times minus 2, okay? Now we know that plus minus and then plus again K. For K, the same thing, we have to forget about the number below than I, below than K. So 3 times 2 minus 6 times minus 2, okay? Use another bracket here also to avoid the confusion, okay? Now just solve it. I minus 6 times minus 2, minus 12, minus 12 minus and minus 4 times 2, minus 8, right? Minus J, 3 times minus 2, minus 6 minus 4 times minus 2, 8, right? Okay, we can use do one thing, use the big bracket here also. Okay, it will help us to avoid the confusion. Then plus k, 3 times 2, it's 6, minus 6 times minus 2, 12, right? Now I minus 12, minus and minus, plus 8, minus j, minus 6 and minus 8, minus 14, plus k, 6 minus 12, minus 6. Okay, and then we will get here minus 4. So I minus 4, minus j and minus 14. So it will become plus j 14 and plus k minus 6. Right now we can write it in a proper way. So minus 4i plus 14j minus 6k. Look, I'm just trying to repeat it again. Okay, we have two vectors such as the vector A and vector B. Vector A is 3i minus 6j minus 4k, and vector B with such as minus 2i plus 2j minus 2k, and we have to find out the A cross B. So to find out the cross product with the vectors, we just made a table I, j, k and write down the numbers. Suppose you are seeing in the first vector, so I is 3, j is minus 6 and k is minus 4, b is minus 2, j is 2 and k is minus 2. Okay, so I bracket, whenever we have to find out the I, we just keep it close and forget about it. So minus 6 times minus 2, and always there is a negative sign, minus 4 times minus. Really, I did a mistake. So so minus 6 minus 2 minus 4 times 2, right? Just a cross multiplication, and the j will be always negative. So minus j 3 times minus 2 minus 4 times minus 2. Okay, plus k, for k 3 times 2 minus 6 times minus 2. To avoid the confusion, use the different bracket. Okay, it will help you to solve it. Now minus 6 times minus 2 minus 12, minus as it is, and minus 4 times 2 minus 8. Minus j 3 times minus 2 minus 6. Okay, and minus 4 times minus 2, 8, bracket close, plus k 3 times 2, 6, minus as it is, and minus 6 times minus 2, 12, right? Now I just go again, minus 12 minus plus 8, minus j minus 6 minus 8, it's become minus 14, plus k 6 minus 12 minus 6. So minus 12 plus 8 minus 4, it's already we have minus 14, so minus 14 with minus. Okay, minus plus, so it's become 14j, and k minus 6, so just keep in a bracket, or directly we can write it here also, minus 6k. So minus 4 plus 8 minus 4, so minus 4i plus 14j plus minus 6k, as it is. If we use the bracket or try to write it stepwise, so I think that we can avoid the confusion in this, and we will try to do few more question on this so we can practice it again and again and doing well in this. Okay, don't worry, we will do.